Hello, you guys. Here I am. I bet you missed me. I missed me too. Wow. Right now I'm actually like watching a video or whatever, and I was like, hey, why don't I try that mask stuff that I advertised on Instagram? If you don't follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram right here. Boom. If you didn't see it on Instagram, it's this stuff. I imagine the video is gonna be flipped, or maybe it's not gonna. I don't know. I'll probably put up an actual picture of it just so you can see. So this is a mask, like it's I don't know. I think it's supposed to be some sort of charcoal kind of like mask, but I'm not sure. So I didn't read all the instructions. Okay. After cleansing, use steam or Wait, no, what? After cleansing, use steam to well or sheet to open your pores and apply Elizveca. I don't know how to say the name of it. Elizveca cleanup mask to your nose and around your nose, and wait for about 15 minutes. Slowly peel off from the end and remove the sebum that melted out of the pore. Kind of a weird way to just say rip it off your face. Even though everyone keeps telling me I have super clear skin all the time, I'm like, you know what? I don't care. I want to try products too, okay? But I'm sure in the long run that's not going to work out for me. So I've got my hot towel here, and I just didn't feel like doing it the real way. Like I usually do this, and I just heat it up a couple more times and whatever. This is how I do that. And so now I'm just gonna sit here and go back to listening to the video, because it's not necessary that I actually watch the video, you know. So I've done that, and now my pores are all nice and clean, or nice and open rather. I mean, my face was already clean, so but like, yeah, my face is like already dry, so I might put a little bit more water or something on it. Right now I'm trying to open the package, and yeah, wow, red inside, intense. This is what it looks like out of the package. Isn't that so beautiful? Let's see if there's a foil seal. Yep, there's a foil seal. That's great. So now just putting the top back on after taking out the foil seal. And it's like I forgot the instructions already. I'm the one who read them. You do. So now it's time to put it on my face. Let me get the product actually down, because apparently it's sunk. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, nice and smooth.
But like, obviously I have to try a small part. I'm actually going to put some down here. Just a little bit, okay? Everyone tell me to stop. Yeah, even tell me to like, shut up. There we go.
Okay, so it's been the allotted time, well actually past the allotted time, because I was doing the show. And as you can see, it's like peeling down here, because I was kind of laughing at the show. So yeah. So now it's time to do some peeling and some. And like this was already coming out, so like it gave me a little bit of easy what's it. I just want to see what's down here. Let me see. I don't know, I can't really see anything much. You can see my chin here. I guess that's something better than nothing. Well, now we'll go for this. That's more painful. My camera will stay in focus. Maybe my camera is more scared than I am. show you. I don't know, it's hard to see the something, but there's something. But mostly my face hair, so. Oh yeah, that is, this part is the nose part. I don't know, you're not gonna see anything apparently. Okay, well, it's not gonna focus, but I promise there's something there. I still got all my particles. And I just gotta wipe my face off and whatever to get the particles. But one thing for sure, now my face feels all ashy. So yeah, that was that. I mean, that was very fun and it hurt. But I mean, I don't know if there's any significant difference in my face. Like, I still feel smoother, probably because it ripped out my face hairs. So. But yes, I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and like come back and see me. Like, I know I haven't been uploading a whole lot, but you know, like, I'm trying up here. I'm in college. I got a job. Okay, like, just chill out. I'll get to the videos. All right. Goodbye. Subscribe.